3. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and a very good evening to all of you, to especially viewers and all the contestants. Today we will have a evening quiz show. Welcome to the evening quiz show. The topic is about digital securities and privacy. And you all guys want to know who the three handsome contestants today? Firstly is Alif Nazmi. Alright. Next is Najmu Al Farid. And lastly is Firdaus Azuddin. Okay. The rules is simple. Each contestant was given 20 seconds to answer the questions. For the correct answer, you will get 20 marks. For the wrong answer, you get no marks. And if you answer the other person question, we will get 30 marks. Alright, let's begin. You guys ready?
Yes.
Yes, nice. That's what we want to hear. Okay, next. The first question is, what is digital security? I want Alif to answer it. Alif?
Okay, thank you. For the definition of digital security, I think the security and important information that want to use your important information for their benefit. Or the other word, the technology caution to rather than that is the definition for digital security.
Correct. Nice question. Nice answer. You will get 20 marks for that. Alif got 20 marks. And next question, please. What is the difference between digital information security and cyber security? I want a contestant 2. This is Najmu Al Farid. Okay.
Okay, firstly, thanks to Brother Razman for us a very good question. Okay, thank you. Okay, what's the difference between digital information security and cyber security? First, about digital security. Okay, digital security is a effort to protect your personal online data from being overtaken and being used by another person. Digital security is more function as to protect the online data that has shared. For the example, we have three examples here. First, data. Second, identity, and lastly, assets. And for the cyber security,
10 seconds.
wait.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 10. Okay. Open it with other contestant who want to answer it. Okay, Firdaus Azuddin. I look at it. What's the answer?
Okay. What's the difference between digital information security and cyber security is digital security is an effort to protect your personal online data from the overtake and being used by another person. Digital security is more function as to protect the online data that you have shared. For example, data, identity, and asset. Meanwhile, cyber security is function to protect your internet, your computer system, and other component. Mostly, cyber security is more widely within the scope of the work that being performed.
Perfect.
That's the answer.
Nice. Good answer. You got 30 marks for that question. Daus, Najmo, you have to try harder, okay? Next question. Alright, let's go. What are the different types of digital security? Firdaus, your answer?
I know this answer.
Okay.
The different type of digital security is antivirus software, current update firewall, proxy, remote monitoring software, and vulnerability scanner.
Correct. Nice. What a great start from Fidaus, Azuddin. Nice. Keep it up, Fidaus. Next question. What are some specific examples of digital security tools? Alif, uh, answer it. Open up for you.
Uh, at least that question is very easy for me. Uh, for the answer for example, security. So for the example that I know, that is first instance message encryption tool. Second, navigation privacy tools. The last example of the security tools is telephone encryption tool. I hope that's answer your question.
Correct. Nice. Wow. You are maintaining, yeah. Alif, nice. Keep it up. It looks like here we have Alif got 40 marks, Najmu 0 marks, and Daus 50 marks. Najmu, you have a long way to go. Okay, next question for Najmu. Okay, did he can come back? Why is the question is why is digital security is important? Najmu, answer it.
Okay, thanks, Brother Razman. Okay, for the question, many people also ask me about this. Why digital security is important? Okay, digital security is important because it encompasses everything that pertains to protecting our sensitive data, personally identifiable information, or we call PII,
Oh,
protected
okay.
health information (PHI), also personal information, intellectual property, data, and governmental and industry information system from theft and damage attempted by criminals and adversaries.
Wow, perfect. Correct answer. Let's hope that Najmu can keep up the pace and let's move on. Then looks like the Najmu can come back or not. Alright, next question. The last question is what kind of information is considered a digital security risk? Fidaus, if you got this answer correct, you will win. Alright, go on.
There are three kind of information which consider as a digital security risk. Firstly, personal identification data. This data includes your name, phone number, address, email account name, IP address, and most damaging your social security number. It also includes information that potentially pinpoint your location. Personal data is often used for identificative and social engineering. Also, a hacker who has your social security number can open credit card account in your name, thereby eventually destroying your credit score. The other two information
Okay.
considered as a digital security risk is
10 seconds.
um,
How can you don't know?
is
5 seconds. 4, 3, don't smile at me. 2, 1. 10. Open up for other contestant. Okay, who want to answer it?
Me.
Alright, Najwa Farid, open up for you.
Okay. Beside what Brother Fidaus just told us about information is considered a digital security risk. Uh, Beside that, we have another two more. First, personal payment data, and the second, personal health data. Okay. For the personal payment data, if it has to do with financial transaction, it's considered personal payment data. This
Wow.
information includes credit and debit card numbers, including
Wow.
expiration dates. Okay. Online banking numbers also account and routing and PIN codes. Okay. Criminals who gain access to your online banking information can even transfer funds out of the accounts or make purchase. Okay. After that, there are also personal health data. Okay. For the personal health data, also known as personal health information (PHI).
Wow.
This
Okay.
data type encompasses information on your health, including medical history, prescription drugs, health insurance subscriptions, and doctor and hospital visits. This
Wow.
uh,
Okay.
okay.
Go go.
This information is precious to high-rolling cyber criminals since they can use your health information to file false insurance claims or order and resale.
Wow, perfect answer, so detailed.
Okay, that's all from
Okay,
me.
looks like here Najmu get 30 marks. And we can conclude that we have a two person got same marks, which is Najmu and Daus. And we will go on to the bonus round. I will give you two question. Each one get the chance to answer it. Okay, next slide please. Okay, the
Okay.
bonus question is
Oh wait.
okay. What are the advantage and the disadvantage of this digital security? Firstly, about the advantage, I want Fidaus to answer it.
For the advantage of digital security is protect your data,
Okay. Alright, right.
inspire customer confident to use our service,
Okay.
and protect your customer data.
Correct. Nice. Okay. Last question. While the disadvantage, Najmu, if you got wrong, you will lose. Alright, Najmu.
Okay. There are few point of disadvantage. Okay, first, could be costly.
Alright,
Uh,
correct.
second, second and lastly, need to keep updating the new software to keep use security up to data.
Wow, wow, so hard Today, this week show, we got
Yes.
two head-to-head fights, which is two contestant head-to-head, Fidaus and Najmo. And I
Yes.
think I will go on by general knowledge questions. Alright, firstly, who is the director of Freak? Freak movie.
Freak movie. I I give you a chance to
Okay,
gather
okay,
gather
Najmo,
it
what
up.
is it?
I don't know.
Alright, Fidaus don't
I'm
know. Okay,
also
open
don't know.
up. Yes, Najmo?
Don't know.
Don't know juga. Alright.
Okay.
So still same marks, no change yet. Okay, next is which club do Lionel Messi play? Hurry up
I know
guys.
the answer.
Okay, Fidaus, open up for you.
Lionel Messi play for club Barcelona, is it?
Yeah, correct. And we got the winner. The winner is Fidaus Azudin with more point 10 points from Najmu Al Farid. Clap. Congrats guys. Alright. It's okay if you will get another chance next week. Alright.
Inshallah.
Okay. That's all for this week quiz show. I hope that you guys enjoy watching it and don't forget to watch next week. We will see you again next week. Okay,
Don't for-
bye.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Don't
Thank
forget to
you.
subscribe, like, and comment below.
Alright, thank you. Nice. Thank you, contestant. Alright, bye. Okay.